everyone, this is Mayank Parekh, and today in this video we'll be talking about Python. And of course this is going to be an introductory video related to Python, so we'll just see how to install Python in your PC. But before that, a question arises is why Python is that famous? Well, Python continues to be one of the best programming languages every developer should learn this year. The language is easy to learn and offers a clean and a well-structured code, making it powerful enough to build a decent web application. Python codes can also written easily and executed much faster than other programming languages. Python is used by Google, Wikipedia, Yahoo, and also by NASA. So it makes Python a bit cool, and so we learn Python. So yeah, let's get started and learn Python. And before that, let's see how to install the Python in your PC, and let's see the installation process, which is damn easy.